We forget a name. We forgot a name. We will forget a name. I begin a journey. I began a journey. I will begin a journey. She calls a friend. She called a friend. She will call a friend. They give advice. They gave advice. They will give advice. He asks a question. He asked a question. He will ask a question. He helps his parents. He helped his parents. He will help his parents. He knows the answer. He knew the answer. He will know the answer. He opens the window. He opened the window. He will open the window. He runs in the evening. He ran in the evening. He will run in the evening. He says hello. He said hello. He will say hello. I wait for the car. I waited for the car. I will wait for the car. I watch cartoons. I watched cartoons. I will watch cartoon. She calls a friend. She called a friend. She will call a friend. She finds a key. She found a key. She will find a key. She sleeps early. She slept early. She will sleep early. She speaks English. She spoke English. She will speak English. She wants cookie. She wanted a cookie. She will want a cookie. The buy new paints. The bought new paints. The will buy new paints.